Hello together, with you as usual Extruder, and today I want to show you what happens with my variator. Actually, 1 year ago I changed the Rolex of my variator to the Dr. Poulet, what you could see here. And in the beginner I was really happy with that, but now step by step it getting worse, and I want to check what is happens with this. Yeah, let's see. Usually I do like this. Could a little bit pull out. It's possible. Look how dirty it is. For disassemble variator, I have this very nice handmade jig, very heavy and stable. Okay. Yeah, surface very good enough. Good. We will check it more detail. Here we have some grease. I guess it's from the shift. Let us check what is inside. As I already show this one, no step. It's after 3,000 kilometers. It's good. This one, yeah, this one also good. This. We are really lucky that our variator has a rubber sealing. It's very good. It means that we could grease it inside. In general, it's good. Nothing special. So as you can see, the grease mostly located in the side, and the out diameter of variator, of course. Therefore, I try to use not my favorite graphite grease, but new polyethylene terephthalate grease. Not all surfaces are working. Let's show you here, for example. This wall doesn't work. You also could see exactly, for example, this one. It's wearing here, so it means it works. I have other example, this one. It doesn't really work in proper way. It's no wearing in this surface. Oh, I want to apply this white spray PTFA. Yeah, it's like a Teflon, for example. It's low friction, but it's powder, therefore it should be not in the bottom here. It will be white powder later when it dry. Very thin white area appears. So we will see how it will works, and I will disassemble in 1 year and show you the result. Also makes sense, pull out this axis and check. In my case, you see some here, it should be cleaned with small, yeah, very thin sandpaper. Yeah, actually it's corrosion. I have no idea where's water come, but nevertheless it was not enough grease. Usually for this used, yeah, lithium oil in my case. Like, just put it inside. The rest grease you could put inside. So let's put it back. So assemble should be like this. That's correct. This white grease at the top. It's very often happens in the silver blade variator. It's a guidance. For example, if you disassemble like this, so usually when you often pull out the sliders, you see this metal insert here still on the plate. It's a normal way. If it's disassembled like this, so it means the metal already broken. Let's show you. There you see, it's broken here. It happens very often, and unfortunately next step it will be big wearing in this area here. So if you have a chance, yeah, nice the replace the new one, or try to do it. It's not so difficult. Do it by your own. Let us also check the torque driver. As usual, should be checked width of the belt, 22.2. Yeah, 22.2. New belt has a width 23 millimeters, and the limit it's 21. So if I have 22.2, it means it's yeah, in the middle condition, and it could continue works. No sense to replacement. For disassemble torque drive, I use the same device. These 3 holes, M8. So put it inside like this. Okay. It's already possible. Some spring. nut. The condition is good. Yeah, some free play present, but it's okay. Should be just clean, put new grease and assembled it back. For greasing torque driver I use usual regular lithium grease. This is sealed enough. Add as much as you want. So pins, put it also in the grease. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Completely fill out. Also grease a little bit here. Not so much. After assembled it should be clean, because grease should not come out. I should do it very careful. Like this. The rest should be cleaned. Let me check it also like this. Also grease should be added inside. Have some hole inside the radial hole, so the grease could with centrifugal force come out in grease inner space. Put spring, just put it here. Actually, that's all. So during the assembly, very difficult to put the belt. Therefore, because of the limitation of this gap. So what I do usually, first of all, the belt, as you know, has some marking, the rotation direction. Yeah. In our case, as I put in the scooter, that the name Mitsubishi will be readable. So just imagine how it will be assembled like this. So yeah, Mitsubishi, readable, and will be assembled like this. So what I do, I put it here. As you can see, it's not possible to pull. It's not possible to put more inside. I do like this. Just rotate it and pull it out. Pull it in. Do you see how deep it could be? Yeah. Initially it was on the surface. So now it's prepared for assembly. For cleaning, usually I use this like a spray. It's kerosene under spray. Very comfortable. In the beginner, it makes sense. Put a little bit grease all surfaces here, and this also. It's a little bit rusty. Little bit grease. Also here. it's readable, it's the correct direction. Direction will be in this. Here a little bit grease. Longer bolts, usually I put it in the front. Actually, that's all. Let's check it. Yeah. So, everything's okay now. Before you put back cap of housing, this part, it should be cleaned. Should be cleaned inside, not just because should be just cleaned. Yeah, you could analyze what happens. Yeah? For example, I see some wear in here when my bolt was with filter was broken. Kronstein was broken. Also here, as you see, this one, it's my belt. It's touch this housing because of vibration. I don't know. Also, don't forget clean here. It's a drainage labyrinth in the lowest part of the housing. If water or whatever, even oil will be inside, come inside, definitely you need the drainage, and this should be free. Just some screw in the middle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. For cleaning filter for variator, this one, you could do it just the water and some liquid oil in my case, because variator itself, yeah, has a lot of opening, and it's not really make a sense, yeah, make the air so fresh like air for engine what is come inside of the cylinder. Filter element itself, it's possible to put it only one position. Cut out here should be this. Just right now I check the scooter, just drive I don't know 2 kilometers or more, and now it is much smoother. Yeah? So before variator maintenance, yeah, it was some vibration in the low speed, and now it's smooth. So it means if you have some kind of vibration, for example, so just do this maintenance, nothing special, and your scooter will work much better. Bye bye.